Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a delicious seafood paella. Let's get started. I'm starting to weighing 600 grams of paella rice and 600 grams of seafood mix. Wash and drain the rice first. Inside a half a liter water, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock. In a separate pan, I'm starting to melt the butter. Make sure you maintain a low flame while melting the butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm adding 100 grams of onion. I'm sauteing the onion for 2 minutes. At this stage, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm adding the pre-washed and drained rice into the pan now. Before you add the water, fry the rice for a minute. In this stage, I'm going to add my rest of the water. It's around 800 ml. And I'm going to add 2/3 of stock which I made earlier. Give it a good mix and let it to cook for 5 minutes. I'm adding finely chopped 2 green chilies. And again mix well. In a high flame, let it to cook for 5 minutes. Ensure to stir every minute or two to distribute the flavors evenly and prevent the rice from sticking to the pan. At this stage, I'm adding the entire seafood mix to incorporate its flavors into the dish. And now, adding the remaining stock to the pan. I'm going to season with the salt and 3 teaspoons of black pepper. Keep in mind that the stock may already contain salt, so manage the balance of flavors accordingly. And again, mix well. I'm going to add 15 grams of finely chopped coriander. When you notice bubbles popping up at this stage, cover the pan with the lid. Simmer over the very low heat for an additional 5 minutes. Stir well to ensure all flavors are mixed and the rice doesn't stick to the pan. Mix the food coloring with the paella and cover the pan with the lid for the next 3 minutes. Gently mix the paella to evenly distribute the color. When it reaches the al dente stage, it's time to serve. Enjoy your delicious seafood paella. Feel free to share your experience making this at home. Comment down below and let me know how your seafood paella turned out. Remember to serve it with a wedge of lemon for an extra burst of flavor. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fathima Shifnaz.